How to restrict music on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. Now, scroll down to the Limit Usage section and tap on App Limits. App Limits lets you set daily time limits for app categories you want to manage. You can add limits by using the Add Limit option. Limits reset every day at midnight. From here, search for and select the apps you want limit. For example, music. Then, tap on Next. Set the duration and tap on the tick icon at the top right. Following these steps, you can easily restrict music on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.